Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, and we've got the new Jabra Elite 4 in the checkout. And everyday use true wireless earbuds with A and C. And these are those we like to work and play. So on the back, you have active noise, Bluetooth multi-point, 22 hours of battery, comfortable all like fit and 4 mics for crystal clear calls. You've got your fast pair Spotify tap and Qualcomm aptX, and that's the packaging there, designed in Copenhagen. So let's have a quick first look at unboxing today before we take them off for review, as we typically do. And then in that time, you can ask questions, as people often do on social media and on our site. Okie dokie, so we've got this familiar introduction here on the front, and download your app, and of course you get an update on that, and you get your card here, and you can see some bits and pieces here. You've got your app on Android and iOS, of course, which, as you know, is a really good app, and that's what they look like there. So first up, we will take out this piece here, which would be your cable and your tips. So you've got your blue cable and USB-A, USB-C, and of course you've got your matching tips inside. Right, so they have a little drawer this time, and that's them inside there. And that's about it, as you'd expect to find. So I'll just pop all them back in there for now. And onto the earbuds themselves, and you've got also inside your sustainability notes and your other little bits of booklet information there. And here they are. So we got a smaller case this time around, and just a comparison, you've got the Connect 5T here. I'm going to put this up here. Got the Connect 5T, so you can see I think it is a bit smaller, and we have got the Evolve 2, so they're the recent ones that we've done. So you can see the 3 different sizes of case there. So we'll just pop them away. Nice colour. Got LED light up front, USB-C on the back, and nice blue colour this is. So you've got 4 mics in these, up to 22 hours and 28 hours with ANC off of battery, and Go Solo features. Go Solo features as well. You've got Spotify tap and playback, and you've IP5 rated as well, plus a 2-year warranty, and all them bits and pieces there. And they look really nice. I like this colour now, I have to say, and it's a very nice colour to keep clean. It's got kind of a matte finish as well, so we can get a closer look there. And inside, we'll just take off these tags. That's what the case looks like inside. Just pop them back in. Strong magnets, as you can see. Not going to budge. And again, shape comparison. You can see design language is still being kept, like so. Although these look a little bit different here, different kind of shape, but that's what they look like. So if we take out one of each of these, we can just have a quick look, and there is a slight little difference there by the looks of it there, and a bit smaller. But yeah, that's what they look like. So you've got your connection points there, your tips here, and of course always check all the tips to make sure you get the right one. Clicky buttons, which I like, and overall they look really clean, and as Jabra typically do, the earbuds are always a clean look, a clean design, and simple to use. And we've got the clicky buttons present again there, as you can see, and that's all there is really to it. So this is what the latest is from Jabra, and what to expect if you're going to pick them up. So stay tuned for a full review soon on techbuzzorn.com. Of course, any questions, you know what to do, and don't be afraid to hit us up. We answer all our questions, and we'll have a full review soon. Of course, we'll have a look at the app as well, all the stuff that's going on there, because there does be some differences in between the app, but we'll let you know what's going on there too in our full review, and we'll talk to you then when the time comes. But in the interim, feel free to drop any questions. And that's a quick first look at the Jabra Elite 4, and we'll talk to you then. See you soon.